What is up? What is up? How's everyone doing? Motorcycle people from all over the globe, boys and maybe one girl, because that's how my analytics look. So Yamaha has just filed with CARB, the California Air Resources Board, for the R7, which this R7 is different than the R7 from 1999, which is more of a track-focused bike. This one looks more to be, well, the MT-07 with fairings, which is not a bad thing. I mean, with how popular the MT-07 is, it's a V-twin with 75 horsepower, and it's replacing an inline 4 with about 110 in the R6. So you're losing some performance, you're definitely getting a different engine, you're getting a different exhaust note, but I don't know. I think I think they should have kept the R6. Like, I know the 600 kind of super sport mid-power range thing is not selling as well as it used to, but now you kind of got the naked bike engine and a bike that's gonna have fairings on it, but kind of look like an R6, but with differences. I don't know. I honestly don't know how this is gonna work. Obviously, you're again the massive power loss from, you know, almost what 30, almost 40 horsepower you're losing from the R6 down to the R7. It is not a redo of the old R7, the 1999. No. That was fully more of a track inspired thing. This is going to be the, I don't know how you want to say it, sports tour fairing kind of thing. I don't know. Still looks like it's going to have the forward seating position, a little more aggressive than what you'd get on the MT-07. Obviously a different back fairing, more of the R6 R1 look, but you're still getting clip-ons, so it's not I don't know. I just don't know how I feel about this bike. As much as I like, you know, the MT-07, it sounds awesome. I really just wish, I've never even ridden an R6. I love how they sound, love how they look. Obviously they kind of look just like the R1, which is awesome, but I wish they had just kept it. I guess there is talks about that they're going to keep selling the R6 kind of just as a 4-track only purpose. I don't know, production line, however you want to say it, but I don't see that going very well either, because, you know, if you could, I don't know, I don't see that working. It's such a small consumer base that how would you keep a production line for a specific bike that's only going to be track oriented, unless it's like buy order only and whatever. We're not going to get into that. But the registrations for the R7 are for 2022, so you're either going to see it really late this year or probably next spring. I mean, I'm assuming you're probably going to see some press stuff of press bikes or press rides or whatever you want to call it. Probably later this year, late summer, early fall, something like that, for, you know, get a little hype over the winter for everyone to be thinking about it. So, ooh, maybe I want to buy that next spring. I don't know. But I don't know. It's kind of a cool look. At least the one picture I can find of it. It's just, I think if you want the V-twin, if you want the MT-07 engine, why not just buy an MT-07? I don't know why you'd want the fairing version of it when it's not, if it's not any different other than just having plastic on it. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Would you buy it? Do you think it looks good? Or would you just rather keep the MT-07? Or, I don't know. Or would you just rather go up to the R1, because you know they're not getting rid of that? Knock on wood, right now at least. So leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Again, would you like it? Would you not? Do you hate it? Is it just not your thing? Whatever. Make sure to click the like button while you're scrolling by, subscribe, hit that little bell button, and I'll see you all later. Peace.